hydraulic system is the workhorse of your machine. Your hydraulic oil is constantly under attack from contaminants that can damage your machine and lower productivity. With superior build quality, the Volvo hydraulic oil filter can handle heavy flow and temperature variations, while effectively removing fine particles. Did you know that when breaking rocks you produce particles, many smaller than human eye can see? As these particles can enter deep within your lungs, this can pose a serious health and safety risk. The superior performance of Volvo cabin filters ensures that you're comfortable and protected from dust. As a world leader in diesel engines, we know what your engine needs to perform efficiently and stay productive all year round. Volvo fuel filters are thoroughly tested with the engine, on the machine and as a system. To protect your machine and your business, use Volvo Filters.